Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Your man penyin ekokan wo Canada. Enam soma eye your mame Hanabisiu. National Women's Organizer dema NDC. Yene no eni komo na eye ne semono so dia fa ho. Dr. Hannah Louisa Biziu. Yamwache.
Me patra yeso.
Empo mu te say.
Nyame adomo na so.
Nyame adom odi ache pa. Na ensama your man penyin kokan wo Canada yi. Eye nokura na waka ana se mususu se waka nokura ede efiguo bi ede abrema.
Me dofo me patra me kakwenye so na mama motifo na ache. Na titrupa akoma Ghana ma obipo na nyum se nyame nhira mo Ghana ma menenu nkametuna na dwen anopai ense omampanyini eko emma nhia mu kese wo wiase na finu na etira semeda so no eye women deliver emma bomo moden Momfre man penny fi som jide se wo yobia oye yesi ya manu ya bona baso se wo ye gender activist na gender baby man penny ko do hono obia ka the positives and challenges man penny ko do hono o se Ghana ma we don't deliver o say and not just about representation. Kana potoka so sinye se bia was say be Neat FM. Was munya female journalist. Inti bomi said the female journalist in no abetno. Anami ensa yes you my idea. Omo ho de nansu se true say no fa dwen pobi ebeboa station no kankwa emano adwini mundu ho emano ahokeka no emano nsempata se wo metena epono niti ana epono ne ho no mo so de o madwena ba na mo be fasa adwempo na fa
doctor me ntwa wa no emse ensema wo kan ensem miensa wo ka bomu yi ebia wo na se kire sebe emse kankasa de ye ka no na o se mana ho keka se wo mo de beduru ho no ene wo fom ana amane nimdie awo mu de bedru wona ewo fom
medofo eye nimdie ni ankeka eye ye trust ye beka na kanka 17 na chirichiri mo okay but was it me hekel no dia no kan was it not just about wishes or representation. I'm talking about sitting around the table and making decisions for the country. I'm talking about controlling political parties. They are not there yet. I've not seen the dynamism. I haven't seen anything that they will be able to make decisions for the country. The 51, well, no, can say 52%, of course. May make us the official census report until we mobile census of I'm a different figure now based on the 51.2%. Oh, say, I do my penny in Kokanya, me nano pay. Many calls pass even Canada. A man who will be an amending this they've gone Ghana for one be say report na media or media for more can. And you're comfortable and ma you're Ghana near when you. Oh, you see women deliver. And now Obia for Ghana mema medofo. Ubenya memo mo de memo mo de. And see Obia Tinika say my super human beings. Tubenya mombo modern pa benya ma omo wo and member the same thing goes for a member no na pese nipa enti wo so na ka se me man no me cabinet me wo a man no na wo out of 19 ke 26%. Wombo modern pa yetna se ne adwene ayi ho adwene mo pa na no na boa ma yetumpon na amanyo sam no ebia ne menti no ema wo mra se be jompo mo de me ye say say mpo yo Ghana ma na mo ho de mpo no ewia say international communities na ho mu na ya mo appointment enti be a political and yemano be a atmosphere ntimane be a lay back currently you be encourage you now you any free politics na say wo buy your investors you will great female women professors you will great way you see what kasa you spoken say your women deliver Ghana ma deliver you will great doctors you great engineers you will great beauticians enti ya woma but so can say who ya keka edu what say wishes and representation ti meduwa ba honemu edu say ye fa adwene efa Ghana ho kwan ye befa so a ye be take key decisions efa man ho a e man ho keka ndro aye the English or kind no e straightforward e ma small girl no wadi 30 years ne ka kire ne say we bie wani so if you open your eyes now we share your community baby na wona ubehu say you have these women ubehu ade na so hu ubehu oba no nsi Ghana ta wo wi o ka se man pani say ode ne beko obede meko akoto aduane ama wa ka sama kire tu be mo ka so nye din no tie no bisa ne say emema bi adwene sawo a wo mo wo mpanyi o mo ye mpanyifo wa amamu enyema be na mo mo so ma ye modi aye esi akwan ama ma wo mu bo mo homode small girl ebisa ya man penye ema wo kan say ono de wo gidi passe sa mema mo dwene say mo ye bibi asa de ma intimi mpeja enti yo man penye ko kan ya na edu to say ayi abwa ko twa man so na no ho won sensan obi nyom say so ya ne dan ya ne ho sensan ne bi e wo hoda ye beti akrase be pollution in ha that platform man panyin ko kan so amanfo etie ne nya krofo abekwa policy ama wo enti do man panyin kan ya no won pomo nya PR bia wo ho simple and short man panyin has refused to see the potentials of Ghanaian women in this country. He has refused to see that. Man penyin peso behu a Dr. Fakese wa Professor Nana. I'm not be a minister for education, not a politician. The first thing she said. That would be when you wider you will see such great women. And then me can say, session bini me kasa we say wo frame and you kasa na msi no wo kasa wo radio so no nkyerɛ bia wo ye sin no baby okonoma on person be kasa radio so but they deliver women deliver that was the women deliver conference on Mokoy ya man penny failed to acknowledge the Ghanaian woman amene se Ghana ni baby obi the two tables so baby born homodin wo ha say no enti ye huno or ye professor or ye doctor or ye politician or parliamentarian or ye minister yenhwe ye bitime an appointment obi be bob back a man penny voice no e dey akire mo say wo be frɛ Ghana ni ba na adwene ho mienu dwene omiensa international appointment ya na highly competitive so obi o wo be nyanka be ba ne me timedofo your man penny kan ya no di ankoye wa guye ni mase tina me se yensu be invite yesu ye de no be ko dinner we die yesere no yenya na be ye ni show ye be twaduane na man yensu ye academic credentials so be ba na ya buanu no wo hu se e ma wo mayima bomu so konka no so de ne on academic credentials so aba ni anya hwe no hu se aso no ye be mo yo mampanyi e ma ni bi on mo nya mampanyi oba bi nya minister oba bi nya MP oba bi ekirade oba bi ye doctor oba bi ye engineer oba bi ye businesswoman oba bi ye managing director of a bank oba bi ye chief executive officer of a company sa oba no adwene po any the policies and decisions are any na this year said they quite no a chain on man penny sebi
but okay
yen said the American say there be aduno wo kasa na ankoya na wakapia ankoye but sa what coach your man say no ho say Yes, you be who said the unknown sign a baby into a person force the unknown painting or painting is saying and show track.
Okay, but Dr. Anna Bisiu, on Mampania, or the some of the key positions be at the mama ewana memomo. Why president or your Ghana Mampany? It's when you say beer and no crabby no can you said the beshe yum crying na ma moswashe munkurai na bia mumubi bia mona mo de mahokeka no wosoro but the dodo one asem na ye kenyo bia na mumubi na sa hokeka no wofom a na kwa mo so apedi om homre so kakra na wo matimi aben because so wo kasa mampanye agumani masia also the chief of staff class or your ba
Medo for me pacho, me do want to be brave. The other kind said your mampanye can and no bu e mabem. And yen crunch the kind. Yet to be me fa or no and no step. Oh, kind video no me bobo to make sure say me tea west the name said the Obana not in small girl not tea and one in a movie. Please say what is not just about representation or wishes. Or cancer Diana, yes. Women should be represented in my government. And my chief of staff. My then should say, do rest. Yeah, dreaming on man in summer, making decision for the forward movement of the country. Or say, man, you do what yet? A deep statement. So one first I didn't know one casati rated in Kobia to me, man. What you do for yet? And one cancer said, me cabinet man or mumbo mode. Me say man or cabinet or mumbo mode. Me cabinet or video and carbino. Now, what say? It's not just empty. Men, when we say okay, I was saying man or baby, a tokenism. Man found Bahwa and Rebecca say wonka. Also, people edi. Se me twa fufu ne bia ntoa nnenu na betimi edi me man toa ba akọ de nam guso de nkwango untimi nka sama ma fufu edi na ma obi enti ya de ma ba ho na mmom o man panyini amanya ti nyina ate 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 so mo tena table a take decisions a man on one cabinet ene na bemu o mo mfa ho o mo nka
okay
o mo nduru ho me tofo me pacho mo fa video no na munti me nkasa nfi de me medwene ana me interpret bibia yo kan ya pepepe e wana gya ne ka kire ne se bie wani se nka wo bie wani a ka be hu won man nyum se ye wo ma sana small get 30 years o ka kire man panyin o kasa no abono obo man panyin se tobo me kotina man panyin na mfa me san bobo ne sa he's our president dia we ye man panyin ko treat man panyin te se bi akwara wo stage ne so enti enam o man panyin no mu nsem a wo ka ye fa onu ankasa ma ho eno ne ma sa akwanya no emma small girl 30 years no ye ne sa on the same platform na prime minister Canada on obi an hekel ne sa on the same platform Kenya akwara wadi 18 years enfie dumotwe okasa ye no standing ovation wo mu sorry bomu nsem man background oka very hard truth to politicians and to leaders.
Okay.
Ye boy and some man. And see me tofu. Your man penny kana. They say yen na kana ye kan. And yes sebi. E ye bibia. Obia kofa David. Okono ko ba Ghana farmers on even okobo ni ministers no nko abasumpa. Yen na ke bobu yen sama man because hey, it is said then wo mo yen ma wo mo wa ban no. And hu hia so okobo Ghana fo nyina emra baso. Okay, no, 52% of the Ghanaian population is a majority of women. Meaning, Opia, you have a decision. You see, sit around the table to make decisions for the party, for the country, and controlling political parties. The women are not there yet. I haven't seen the dynamism yet.
Okay. When the media corner, me texters ni be and I was sending message about now say. Ekwa say mo ya ye nyaatwen because wo mo hwe ya me mo ya waso west wagon obey kunafo a to abadema no man ko mra shebe fie dom kuma na wo mra shebe fie no kill the papa but mumu bi man sorry anka sentia
me do for die kan me pese me bisa se kwa ya waso west wako se woni ni se oba na ne se onko se ye me ha na bisiu ena na me kwa ya waso west wako ena no petututu ye twi ye tuo edi pe brumbru emma foforo so ma ehwie momo jagu ye wasase na me ba bedi so na kanopan ka me sorry akasa nyame ni me dance ni nyame de ohwe akome me sorry akasa etia because for me said ya me nkoye mpino ni kwansa aban ana obia otwe atuo da boroboro obia wo baabia because in any case aye adwuma se eto abama me ebewini dia na koso wa ya waso weso ebesimbe obabi kunu obabi ba life asay obi no beka wo man mu se yakwa akoto aba anopano and polling agents monitoring for ni enko parliamentary candidates ni fie enko ji bia sika de beye fuwa anade de be corran ni deploy wo mo uko fie ho ya tutu tuo obito mpe because of how close an etio ni yen etitigui me ko 37 ma me ba ko panyini na otefo no wo sune seguditi ba ko na yere nyam na oba no so de na fukase no so tefom eno ne seguditi na usu enti obi an hekel no ya ko elections obi an hekel no but the me see wo honom efa emma bi sukunu honum ene emma bi ma enti me person me in parliament enti abai no person support me with resources support me with bibia be bia ba support me by say ubemma ya ba be intimidating crowd we shooting beating ba member ko atuo ne kan na basa no na battery no tenka anko na chese oniako emi na battery na no emi ni chest especially mra ba kokko tana me show commissioner also the 3 weeks finish atuo to enti otoi nyame na dom no
it is anu na ba sa na ye wo obi a yesusu se bi a wanye na dwuma ye nti na ma sa akọ so ba do ba na ono no gina se wo moto no so aba virtually so nyo no nko na na gina
Davidian obi anya ni bibia me bi sa question ye wo diamond bi ewo ewiase a eye black diamond and na bloody diamond ye wo bi wo wiase ye ne bi nanso Sierra Leone men kaye yaw ye this Sierra Leone cause civil war emma ye wo moto Sierra Leone diamond be friend bloody diamond and then bloody your friend is saying black diamond depending on how your crop is put in eye moja ye feel good here because of that diamond a precious ornament a good in one dia a sombo and send binu bunu crampo in gold sikakoko then so and now so be that diamond with him she moja and we want to
okay
ba no kura ne se sa no pana dia na ekoso no sen ma me candidate ni sorry and no kaseti aya ni ehu say so your ba because what your ba ekoso no yamo nsho because me person me nya mpinti be ma na no ka ho no dick Bella woni o kan chairman friend o ka chairman say yes o person you no so gidi say you go through the election o be win on so gidi na and oba no so no so gidi nanso moja be hwiegu nipa be moja be hwiegu because o person obeye mpini die wo ye be ma wo ma enti on chairman for so one withdraw from the election. That was the response ebe fi papa no.
Okay.
Enti eniema no different and in any case want me anabisu me kasa you cannot equalize it to president. Oh, be kwa bonte. Say ye mu bi mpo ene ye call sa platform so ne kwa kan dey we fa Ghana manwa. Me ka to say nke ne me land wo Ghana. Say ye me Hana bisiu. Ena me call sa platform me so me nka John Dramani Mahama fi so no dia ke be ye no men's beef. Ye be ye no de na ye ayi corner beef.
Okay.
Ye be ye no feko. Me na me ko gina platform bisu international platform. Ena me make your man any statement with e fa Ghana manwa enka ye sake ye no. And Kadeli be real Kenyan by.
All right.
Just a citizen. I'm your me president. Me president mo koma akraketua we ko kan sem mo ridiculous. Yes ma yenka. She's a president nanado. Ni bisamo ni amfa no kure ba akonya adwuma. Me ameka say Hana bisu me president. Me yan this men's organizer. Me na me could gina platform bisu. International me share the same statement. Efa Ghana manwa me bisase by now come for bomun se mama miana John Dramani Mahama so no go the same statement efa Ghana manwa me bisase and come when se mama and ye man ye no me de kwa wiye
okay
John Dramani Mahama obube wo manyi mu ye nyina nim dwamfunu be se dwan a wawu na dwamfunu so sekan Ebaya sem kesiye ma in fact omutu ni din so ye dwamfunu Emma ye kan say nya be efi se John ne bu ben osan ko bu se akokọ ani akroma de no ebe is serious case because John Mahama na kai president Nana-Addo emra ne kan corruption asem no so bu baby say o can protocol say they want to give their dog a bad name and hang it no then say see me but this dog referring to ono will not be hanged. Or see, you perceive my crime in bonnet, near Farman sending comments to Sacrament. We not in Saturn would say, oh, a bet, walk on my yebu. On no bullpen. So, Miss Fat, Namsum Castle and Kamaya, 10 a month for the fat. Now, so John Mahama can't so you can fool. Yen in any Sana or Bupe. Yen in any say, Yan penny for the banyan sending your bunny bayan canna step. And your one penny for your new woman, Bakubu ba, a yasep, Bakud your buba, and yes, you only bube. Tell me the cotton in a boche.
Okay.
Yan Chredia, Yan fancy canning kuma, and Bronitri.
All right. Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisiu, Yada say, so near Casa.
It's often patch on Miss Madame.
Yamishrapa.
Amen.
Utie Oha Echi Pongno Needs FM.